Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact hidden strategy to bypass the standard 7-day limit and instantly unlock a full 14-day extended free trial of Semrush, completely risk-free. If you head straight to the main Semrush homepage on your own, the platform will only offer you a restrictive 1-week testing window, which simply isn't enough time to properly evaluate such a massive premium search engine optimization toolkit. To double your free access time to 14 days, your absolute first action step is to clear your active browser cookies and click an official verified Semrush partner or affiliate promotion link, which opens up a hidden landing page specifically authorizing the extended 2-week trial period. On this exclusive promotional layout, you will be presented with 3 distinct pathways depending on your specific digital marketing goals, including the Classic Pro tier, built perfectly for solo creators, the Classic Guru tier, packed with historical data and advanced content tools, or their brand new flagship plan called Semrush One, which pairs standard search engine data with cutting-edge artificial intelligence visibility tracking to monitor your brand across engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Once you choose your preferred tier and click the Try for 14 Days activation button, the system will prompt you to create a completely fresh account by inputting an unlinked email address and choosing a secure password. Check your inbox immediately for their 6-digit verification code, paste it into the registration field to confirm your identity, and you will advance straight to the secure checkout page. At this final stage, Semrush does require you to enter a valid credit card or PayPal account for system verification, but your absolute total today will display as exactly $0. To completely avoid any automatic renewal charges after your evaluation finishes, simply navigate directly to your active profile settings before the 14th day ends, locate the Subscription Information tab, and click the Cancel button, which instantly stops future billing while keeping your full enterprise dashboard access completely active until the original 2-week window runs dry. Subscribe the channel for more videos.